All right. And we're back. There's Mark. All right, today's video, we're going to be installing, come on, get this out, battery, a side stand extension.
Oh, wow.
So, we got everything we need right here in the toolkit. That way you guys can see everything we're doing. And we're going to do this. This doesn't take long. This is a few minutes. It uses a nylock nut and bolt so you don't lose it. And we'll take this out. And we'll take this out. Hopefully you guys can see what we're doing here. I think I have the camera angle correct. Take this. This can go here. And then this just goes like this on your side stand. See that, Mark?
Yes.
That goes right there like that. And that gives you something to grab onto to pull your side stand up. So, and then what I do is I bring this and we're going to clamp this on with the vice grips so we can center punch it and then drill it real quick. Okay. So I always use vice grips to hold it on with the cloth so we don't mark up the chrome, and we'll get it just in the right position. Come on, right there. Come on. Yep. My hands are cold this morning, people. It's cold out, so we're gonna do this like so. Very good. Now we'll open this. A little more. I'm adjusting the vice grips so I can get that to clamp. So now that's in a perfect position. That's where you want it. And then we'll take our center punch. That gives us a divot. And then we take out our Ryobi bits that Mark gave me like 10 years ago. Remember when you gave me those? Yeah. You gave me those like 10 years ago. Had them for a long time. Yeah, everything you give me I get use out of. I got my little Larry you gave me. I've got that knife you gave me, which I use pretty much every day. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pilot hole. All right, and this is the reason I bring the magnet. All right, there's our pilot hole. Come back out of there, take our magnet, get all the bits. Gotta get rid of the bits. All right, so we moved a little bit. We got one pilot hole. That's a 1/8, and now we're going to go up to, put this magnet back here so we catch it. We're going to go up to 15/64, which should be the correct size for the bolt. Let's see, I'm going to put it right there. Let's just compare. Perfect. So that's what we need. Uh-oh, they're coming for us, Mark. It's an alien invasion.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Come on. All right, very good. Now let's see what we got. We should be able to go straight in, like so. Put this away. I packed everything up in my toolkit to bring it with me today so we could do it.
Wow.
All right, the nut's a 10mm. Come on. I don't know if you guys can see. Just trying to get the nut started on the back. And this Allen head should be a, yep, that's a 4mm Allen. Everything seems to be metric these days. All right, let's get on here. And then basically all you're doing is tightening this down. Again, it's a nylock nut, so you shouldn't need any Loctite on it. All right. And we're going to wrench this down snug. Like so. And pop that off. Take that off. Get all of our slag. And that's the extent of it. And that's how quick and easy it is to put a side stand extension on a Touring. So, as always, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see the next adventure. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. And by the way, this video was made in the parking lot of Stars and Stripes Harley Davidson. So, we do things all the time. This is the second side stand extensions I've installed in the parking lot. Here. Back when it was Brian's, I did the first one.
Oh my God.